is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're doing beef stir-fried noodles, also known as dry-fried beef rice noodles. So this can be really tasty, delicious, easy to make. So let's get started. Slice 4 to 6 ounces of beef, such as flank steak or chuck steak. To tenderize the beef, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then add 4 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil, such as peanut oil. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And finally, add 1 tablespoon of pure sesame oil. Mix all the beef together and let the beef marinate for at least 1 hour, or better still, let the beef marinate overnight. So preheat your wok or pan at medium to medium high heat. We're going to put a couple of tablespoons of cooking oil in there. I use peanut oil. I like to put a tablespoon of chopped ginger and chopped garlic. This is optional, but ginger and garlic is good combination to bring out a lot of flavor in stir fries. Got a onion here, so just put in an onion, slice it up thin slices so it's easier to stir fry. You pre-chop the veggies, so cooking time is really quick. So prep time, you do everything ahead of time. We get nice sear marks, so we get some Wok Hei. So just move the onions to one side. I'm just going to put the beef onto the wok. Give it a good sear as much as you can. Give it a good sear in the beef going. Mix the onions with the beef. So you don't have to cook the beef all the way through. Put in your noodles. So these are just dry rice sticks, dry rice noodles. So we're just cook according to instructions. Takes about 5 minutes on these noodles. Rinse the noodles out, let it dry for a little bit, and then you put it into the wok. I like to use these long chopsticks to separate the noodles. So I got some bean sprouts. If you have some bean sprouts, you can put in just before serving. Bean sprouts are really quick to cook. Heat on high just to give it a good sear. You can drizzle some oil, which is the peanut oil. So the restaurant's got lots of oil, so put another 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So put a little more of this dark soy sauce just for coloring. So dark soy sauce is sweet. So put a little more of this light soy sauce. So light soy sauce is saltier. So obviously if you have a gas burner, it's going to give you more Wok Hei, the carbon sear flavor. But for home cooking, this is pretty good. It's pretty inexpensive. Do this whole order for less than $5 sometimes, depending on the kind of meat you use. And you're going to be charged $25 to $30 in a restaurant. So we just put a few shakes of this pink rock salt, which is natural salt. It's going to sharpen up the flavors. Throw in some green onions, so stalk or 2 of green onions just for color and taste. So there you have it. Ready to serve your beef stir-fried noodles. Give it one last stir-fry. This order deserves the best in presentation, so this is Royal Doulton. This is a nice plate, so we're going to put the noodles on. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. So there you have it. Restaurant quality, beef Chow Foon, beef stir-fry noodles, dry-fried Chinese noodles with beef. Any way you call it, it's going to be delicious. Enjoy. You can use fresh noodles, you can use the dry noodles. So these are just rice sticks, rice noodles that come in a package. Takes 5 minutes to cook. Rinse them out, and then you're ready to stir fry. That's really good. So next time you have a hunger for Chinese beef fried noodles, you can do it yourself. So please like and subscribe. Any questions you may have, please let me know. And thanks for your support. Today we're at the Parker Place Mall. I'm going to try some of the stir-fry noodles here at the Tin Tin Kitchen. I've been watching the guy cook, so looks like lots of Wok Hei, lots of power when he's cooking. This is the Chinese beef fried noodles, Cantonese. Look at that, look at that. This is restaurant quality beef stir-fried noodles with the big slices of beef. You get the bean sprouts. You get lots of soy sauce in the noodles. You get lots of Wok Hei. You can see the steam come out of the noodles. And I've been watching the chef cook while we sat here. I could tell this is going to be extra delicious. Look at these noodles, lots of soy sauce. Lots of Wok Hei, which is a carbon sear flavor, infused right into the noodles. I find that the food in the mall here is just as good as a high-end Chinese restaurant, because I can actually watch the chef cook. So the way he moves the wok, the way he tosses the noodles. So I noticed the food in the mall here is just as good as in a restaurant. So the Wok Hei, the carbon sear flavor, is infused into the noodles. As you can see, a lady just looked at my noodles. I'm sure she was quite impressed. And I look for the best cook, best chef. All Wok Hei, very good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe.